busy. What did you say? Oh, you're breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy. And I am sick and tired of my phone ringing. Sometimes I feel like I live in Grand Central Station. Tonight I'm not taking no calls cause I'll be dancing. Tonight I'm not taking no calls cause I'll be dancing. Stop calling, I don't wanna think anymore.
We're sorry. The number you have reached is not in service at this time. Please check the number or try your call again.